This is Rena Wiley cleaning off Papa Smurf. We got rained on. All right, well, you're doing a good job there, baby.
Well, there's money.
It's looking real shiny there. I think the bags are kind of crooked though.
Hey, Dave. You want to fix it, babe?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix it. Yeah. Well, yeah, you missed that one right there. I'm gonna take that one off. You did good on the other one. The right side. The left side gotta. You see how there's all that space? Yeah.
I thought it felt funny.
Uh huh. But you did a good job, baby.
I tried.
I'm very proud
Way
of
to go,
you.
baby.
I'm very proud of you.
I love you,
Oh,
man.
you're too goddamn sweet. Woo. Look at that sexy motherfucker right there. Not Rena, but the bike. That's another kind of sexy. Damn. That mug do look good when it's clean, boy. Oh boy. Papa Smurf, baby. Had a nail in the tire earlier today. Yeah, I ain't gonna tell y'all how much that cost me to replace that, but yeah, I'll be in the house for another 2 weeks. Just to pay for that one there. Damn, that boy clean as a whistle. So fresh is so fresh is so clean.